Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a visitor visa to travel to Barbados online on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened Barbados immigration e-portal. So when you come here for the first time and you don't have uh, your ID registered, you have to register. Okay, so first name, last name, email, password, confirm password and submit. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, what happens is after you complete the registration, you get an email, a validation email to your account. You have to click on the link to get it validated and then you come back to this page. So I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna see you guys. So now we are on the home page and tap on apply for entry visa. Okay, first is application type. If you're applying on your own, single entry or multiple entry. I select single entry. Next, your details, first name, middle name, last name, gender, marital status, date of birth, nationality, special peculiarities. Have you ever changed your name? So I'm gonna put some sample and then I'm gonna see you guys. So I put some details, first name, last name, gender, marital status, date of birth, country, nationality, any other peculiarities you want to add. I did not do. Name, have you ever changed name? I said select no about name change. Occupation, I selected a sample. Now put your passport details. Criminal offense, have you ever been convicted? I select no and then I'm gonna put the travel passport details and then I'm gonna go to next. Next is your contact information. Put your contact information, your address, your country, and your state, province, whatever, postal code, email address, phone number, mobile phone number, home, work, and tap on next. Basically your contact details. I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna see you guys. Next is visit information. So if you're visiting there and if you have booked the hotel, you can put their address. Okay, reason for visit, I'm selecting tourism. Okay, date of arrival, means of support, self. If you have additional travelers, add their details too, especially when you are traveling in a family. That time you need them. Otherwise you can just take it off. Okay, I'm gonna put some sample. I'm gonna go to next and then I'm gonna see you guys. So we have gone to the file section. Your photo, your passport photo, cover letter, birth certificate, marriage certificate, if applicable. So whatever documents are applicable in your case you can attach, and if you want to upload additional you can do additional, and then you will provide the details here. And then once we go to next, we can make the payment, and then once it is approved, we are good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.